Hi, I'm Simon Cronenberg, and welcome to the very first episode of Surviving Animal Attacks. Today we'll explore some potential risks that can be found right here in Central Florida. Due to the warm climate here, many non-native species of invertebrates and reptiles can survive well here and reproduce. Today, we're going to try to find one of those. What I was looking for was a species of tarantula commonly referred to as the Mexican red rump. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find one, but instead, I brought a species from my own collection called the striped knee. Neither of these species pose any threat to anyone, though their large size can be startling to someone caught off guard, like an unsuspecting orange worker.